Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bar graph. A bar graph is used when time is not involved, when you're just comparing like items, like all the tables that we practiced with earlier in the week. Number of students to favorite candy, favorite color, eye color, height. If time is not involved, you're using a bar graph. If time is involved, you'll use a line graph. I'll show you line graphs in the next video. So what you do is once you have a table set up in Sheets, you need to highlight it. And bar graphs are super easy. Highlighting the graph, or the table rather, go to Insert. And for some reason it says Chart instead of Graph. You go to Chart, and it'll make it for you right here. How to edit it comes up on the right side. However, in some cases, you can actually edit in the actual graph. Always, when you make a graph, double check that you have labels for the y and x axis, what it looks like it does, and then a title for the graph. It usually defaults with a title. However, this one isn't good enough. You usually have to change it. So I'm going to make it favorite Halloween candy in biology. Should be good. A few things you can change. Chart style. Let's see here. You can change border, background color. There's so many things you can do with this. Chart title, legend. You can change all text color, everything. It's all in Customize. Okay, this is a bar graph. This should be a pretty easy one to do. In the next video, I'll show you how to do line graphs, which are a little bit more difficult.